Hey, what is up guys? Tac Airsoft here, and today I'm going to be doing a review on the Elite Force 1911 Tac. I'm going to be having a little bit of shooting. As you guys can see, there's a target back there. So yeah, to start off, this is a very reliable weapon. Has an easy mag, as you guys can see, holds 15 rounds, runs on CO2 power, has a spring and all that. Now it's a metal blowback with CO2. Very reliable, very strong, very accurate. The hop-up is easy to adjust. I won't be showing how to get to the hop-up in this video, but in another video I might if you guys want me to. So, the safety is right here. What you do is you just switch it up, you pull it back, switch it up, and it makes it to where the slide won't go back, so it won't fire, as you can see. And iron sights, and yeah, so really simple gun. I'm gonna set you guys up by the target, and I'll let you guys see the shooting test and the accuracy. So I'm gonna go ahead and move my mount over there by the target. There you go. How's that? Yeah, that's pretty good. So I'm gonna go ahead and aim for the red, the bullseye, and you guys can see the accuracy test. Yeah, here we go. So that was the first mag. This gun, when it does run out, it does stay back like that, the slide. So I'm gonna go ahead and refill it, and we're gonna go through a speed firing mag where I'm just gonna fire as accurate as I can, and you guys will be able to see how it performs. Let me go ahead and load this stuff really quick. It is all loaded up. I'm going to go ahead and do the speed fire now. Oh, forgot to push the spring down. There you go. And that's it. Yeah, like I said, 15 round mag. This gun's amazing. If you want me to cover anything else up in this video or in the next video, please let me know. Make sure to like, comment, subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace out.